Good morning, Aman.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I am fine, sir.
How the weather today is?
Today weather excellent.
Excellent. Why are you saying excellent?
Because
Because
today
today
sun
sun
rising.
not rising.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, rising.
Rising.
Rising. Or and
That oxygen are cool.
okay. How are you feeling today?
Yes, sir.
How are you feeling today?
Feelings are good.
Good. You are coming in your coaching. Uh, which time?
So 7:30.
7:30 o'clock. Okay. So my question is that regarding your life, and I will ask you some question regarding my life also in future. So first question is regarding your life. In early morning, when you are coming in your coaching, before you come and reach your coaching, have you done your breakfast? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Why? You should done your breakfast. You should done your breakfast. Why do you not join the breakfast today in the early
Because
morning?
sir, morning, early morning, there is
Early morning, you are not there. Where are you at that time? Where are you at that time?
sir, home, home presenting.
Present in home. At that time, the breakfast is not ready.
That is
Ready, but why you are not join it?
not hungry, not hungry,
Not?
hungry,
Sorry?
hungry,
Acha, you have not
hungry.
hungry. But my suggestion for you that I have hungry or not, but every day we have to join the breakfast in the early morning, because in Hindi there is a proverb that if our stomachs has empty, then our mind are not working properly in any kind of work. So we have to first join the breakfast in the early morning, then do any second work. So next time, from tomorrow, you have to join breakfast. You have hungry or not hungry, there is not matter, but you have to join your breakfast every day. Promise?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can eat something or more thing, that is not a problem, but you have to join. This is a compulsory. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
So second question is regarding my life. If you aware about it, then you can tell me. So I want to grow up my fat and also weight. So according to you, what tips I have to accept, and how many dose I have to start according to you, and tell me a proper roadmap and also a better strategy according to you. Please tell me if you know.
Sir, you eat desi ghee
Okay.
and eat daily
Daily what?
evening time ande
Eggs.
eggs
Eggs. How
and
many eggs we have to eat day by day and every day?
four, sir,
Enough?
four. And
Uh,
you have not
eggs
eat
are
the
not.
chicken.
Eggs will be harmful,
No, yes, sir. That's
but in a limit.
limit.
Like 2 to 4, if we eat day by day, then they will not harm our body.
Yes,
So you are saying first strategy is that step 1, I have to use a desi ghee, and step 2, I have to use eggs every day, 2 to 4 eggs, or bowl or not bowl,
sir.
bowl. Next.
and then after coming winters,
I have to, I wish to write your strategy. So
I
please wait.
from the winters and you desi egg.
One sec, one sec. Step one, desi ghee, and step second you are saying eggs. So I have a single question for you. Desi ghee, if we are using desi ghee in a month, so how much ghee is enough in a month, in a single month, according to you? 1 kg?
एक चम्मच
1 kg for complete month is enough?
हाँ
And eggs, according to you, you are saying that 4 eggs. So 4 3 ja 120 eggs. So we can average 100 eggs in a month. Step third, what are you saying?
सर 1 egg देसी अंडा
Okay, ठीक है. Which we included in this also. उसी में include कर लेंगे. Step third कुछ और बताओ. Tell me something more.
is eating milk.
Milk. Drinking milk. Milk is for single day. How much is enough?
Sir,
1 liter.
glass
1 glass is enough. ठीक.
आधा लीटर.
Okay. Next. Or anything you will suggest me, like fruits, like junk food, like any kind of any other thing according to you?
जैसे fruits and
Fruits. Fruits में
banana, 1 banana
per day.
in drinking the milk.
Okay.
There's also bread in milk.
Okay. Next. Dry fruits we can use, yes or no? Dry fruits not use. We have to not use dry fruits.
Normal sir.
Anything more?
No sir.
This is enough. This will be gain our weight.
Yes, sir.
So I have a question for you. How much weight you have right now?
Currently 85.
85.
5 kilo losing weight.
Using your weight. So in past you have 90 kg weight. So this is a good weight right now. 80 to 85 is not a bad. It is a good according to me. Because if you are going plus 90, then the weight is in a bad position. So in the lowest 90 kg, and this is the average and the best position of a weight. Okay, thank you, Aman. So now we are coming our topic, which is we are completed yesterday, which is regarding our chapter number 1, introduction of English grammar. So yesterday, how many things I have told you regarding this topic and regarding this chapter? Please tell me one by one, step by step. You can take more of time, a lot of time. That is not a problem. Okay. So tell me step by step and slowly, slowly.
Sir, firstly you sing how many vowels? The vowels, five vowels.
Okay.
A, E, I, O, U. And 22 are the
21
21. 21 is constant
consonants.
consonant. And uh, next regarding any guest has come in home, how you behavior, how you respect, give their
There is a
guardian.
proverb in a English grammar that if you give respect, you will take respect. So in our family and in our home, any one person has come outside from our home, so we have to give respect them. If firstly we have give respect them, then they will also give us respect. Okay, next 10. Tell me
And you saying
what I am saying.
teachers, how the respect teachers.
Okay, so I can you help me to bring the water in a bottle?
You use
Half. Yes. Currently, I am suffering from my health disease, so I have to take the medicines day by day and every day. So this is the right time when I am getting my medicines at 8:30 to 9 o'clock mid. This is the syrup which is suggested by Dr. Viswas, and it is a very beneficial in our health to growing of the weight and also fat, and making interest to eating more. ऐसा होता है ना कि भूख नहीं लगती. People are saying that I have not any kind of hungry. There was not hungry in a day. I have eat only 2 to 3 breads in a day, in a single day. So this may be beneficial. One doctor saying to me in past, so he suggested me to purchase a good health syrup, which is in ml or I think 500 ml. 500 ml. So when this is complete, they suggested me कि you have to drink minimum 3 bottles of this syrup. Then the result will be come automatically. You are showing and you are amazing regarding it. But I want to share the experience of the syrup that this is a very bad in the taste. This is a very I think for kadvi, which word we are using in English according to you? I think salty, very salty,
drinking types.
very drinking type, very alcoholic type.
Yes.
So after drinking it, I think ulti is like feeling are coming. So uh, we have to ready the bottle of water before we are drinking the syrup of this thing. Very bad. But in a medical department and health department, the very experienced older doctors and nurses are saying that कि which medicine are bad in taste are very useful and very beneficial in the result. Their result will be good. only and only good and also positive. In test very bad, but in result are very good. This is the very fact, very good fact in the medicine department. After drinking the water, after getting the dose, 2 dose of a syrup, I am using elaichi. I am looking that now here is the elaichi. If elaichi are not getting me, I have, my situation is going very bad. Thank you for milgi, because mouth is very bad right now. So check it. कोई नहीं, check it. So in childhood I have a very using elaichi. Some kinds of boys are using that time supadi or gutka also, but I am using only elaichi. My mother and father also saying me that my son, supadi and gutkas are very harmful for our health, and our teeth will be very bad, and no one will, good morning, no one will marry with you if your teeth are black and bad. So you have to use only elaichi. Elaichi is very useful, very beneficial, and very positive result for us and our life and also our teeth. So I am using from my childhood elaichi day by day and per day. So you are saying that, sir, you are teaching me yesterday about alphabets, about letters, about vowels, about consonants, and you are saying that there are 5 vowels in a alphabet and there are 21 consonants in alphabet, and you are saying that, sir, our relatives comes at our home, we are saying that good morning, good afternoon, good evening also, and say him to namaste, and many kind of things. We are taking the glass of water and give him with a respect. I am right?
Yes, sir.
And many things I am also teach you. So I want to know. Tell me step by step, slowly, slowly, and sound is loudly. और प्रियंका जी ठीक हो? बताइए.
Sir, you have teach me
What? What I am teach you? F2 दो, F2. F2. प्रियंका जी प्रसाद लेंगी, इसमें से ले लो. विश्वकर्मा जयंती प्रियंका जी आज की है, हमने कल ही मना डाली, पता नहीं था हमें. You can use your book only for today, but tomorrow you cannot use your book for a hint to describe the things which I have teach you before first time. Okay, so you can use right now. जी क्या कह रहे हो? इंट हो गया हमारा, वर्ड हो गया हमारा, एक्सेल हो गया हमारा, और सी एफ है ना आपका. टैली स्टार्ट करा दें? ठीक, टैली स्टार्ट कराते हैं. थोड़ा सा पढ़ लो एक बार, है जो आपने नोट्स लिखे हैं टैली में, पहले स्टार्ट कराते हैं आप.
So you also saying your first question to you, how many alphabets are there in English?
क्वेश्चन टू यू नहीं, क्वेश्चन टू मी.
Yes.
या
Most of you will answer 26.
यस
Is not real.
यस, because alphabet is only single,
Single.
so answer will be 1.
One.
Yes.
alphabet is just a name given to the group of all letters in
Yes.
English.
Yes.
When you say
And what I am saying?
manners also.
Manners also.
To show you good manners, keep in mind.
Okay.
If you are asking someone or for something, use please, kindly, sort of words.
Okay.
And
And what?
and thank you. Before to say thank you. Also, you have 3 pages are ready.
Acha. I am telling you that you have to prepare your 3 pages.
That's complete.
That's completed. So before I am starting your today's session, I am asking to you that have you any kind of doubt regarding still now? So you can ask me. Lovely. Okay, good morning. Please ask me. Have you any kind of question regarding your concept? Pushi.
Currently, no
There
doubt.
is no doubt. I pray to God in future also there is no doubt. अंदर आ जाइए, इस बोतल को ले लो, वो वाली बोतल रख जाओ, इसी के अंदर रख जाओ. एक सेकंड. ठीक है. So we have completed manners topic also, and right now we are discussing what is the time concept. If anyone asks to you what is the time right now, so what are you saying that time? Please tell me what is the time. Currently, suppose that I am a अजनबी को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? स्ट्रेंज. आई हैव अ स्ट्रेंज फॉर यू एंड यू आर एंड ऑल्सो मी आर गोइंग ईच अदर ऑन अ रोड. So I am asking to you, hello bro, what is the time right now? So what are you saying to me?
8 o'clock.
Only 8 o'clock.
That before present the time 8 o'clock.
You can say also only 8 o'clock. ठीक है? Yeah. मिल जाएगा आपको. इधर बैठ जाओ. ओके. So if suppose that there was a time 10:30, then what are you saying? What is the time right now? In a watch, time will be 10:30. Then what are you saying to that person? What is the time?
That current time. That is the current time. 10:30.
You can also say 10:30 o'clock right now. Clear? न्यूमरल एंड देयर प्रोनाउंसिएशन, यानी कि 1 2 3 ये आपको ऑलरेडी आते हैं. नहीं आते तो एक बार आप रिसाइकल कर लेना, रिकॉल कर लेना. इसमें आपका 1 से लेकर के 1 बिलियन तक दी हुई हैं काउंटिंग्स. दिस इज़ एनफ फॉर यू एंड ऑल्सो फॉर एनी गाई विच आर लर्निंग फ्रेशरली इंग्लिश ग्रामर. ठीक है? सो इफ़ एनी पर्सन are asking for you which class are you in right now, so what are you saying? Which class are you in right now?
12.
12th. Correct. If someone are asking to you, how much is the glass filled? So what are you saying? ग्लास में कितना पानी है, ये क्वेश्चन अगर आपसे कोई पूछता है तो व्हाट आर यू सेइंग टू हिम? अगर हाफ है तो वी आर सेइंग दैट हाफ, अगर 1/3 है तो 1/3, 1/4 है तो 1/4, इस तरीके से, ठीक है। जैसे आई एम आस्किंग टू यू, अवे इज अ समवन एंड यू आर ऑल्सो, सो अवे आर वेरी इंटेलिजेंट, सो आई एम आस्किंग टू यू, हाउ मैनी टाइम्स better than Abhay regarding you? So what are you saying? Single, double, triple? Double. This type you are saying, na? So now we are discussing at the concept of punctuation marks. So punctuation marks are that when we are asking to someone any questions, then in the last of the sentence we are using question mark, yes or no. So there are many types of punctuations, like आपका question mark, like आपका exclamation mark, like आपका full stop, like आपका comma, like आपका inverted comma, like आपका quotation mark, like आपका colon, लाइक आपका सेमी कॉलन, लाइक आपका एपोस्ट्रॉफी, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा आर द एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क्स विच आर यूजिंग इन आवर डेली sentences. Like hooray we have won the match, in hooray we are using exclamation mark, ठीक है। इस तरीके से एक डंडा खींचा, नीचे बिंदी लगाई, करते नहीं करते। एक एक्सक्लेमेशन ऐसा भी होता है, ऊपर बिंदी होती, नीचे डंडा होता है। सो ये आपको पढ़ के आने हैं। एंड डेज ऑफ अ वीक, मंथ्स ऑफ अ ईयर, ये आपको पहले से ही आते हैं। चैप्टर जो आपका लेसन 1 है आज ख़त्म होता है। हमने टारगेट लिया था, वी हैव टू गेटिंग अ टारगेट टू रीड 3 पेजेस इन अ सिंगल डे, बट वी आर गोइंग इन अ 2x मोड राइट नाउ। सो टुडे this is the second day of the study of your English book. So today we have completed how many pages? Guess. No. We have completed 15 pages right now. So this is not a 2x mode, this is a 3x and also 3.5x mode right now. So we have completed as soon as possible, not in 3 months. We have to try, we have to complete this book in 2 months. This is the goal today we are taking right now. So lesson number 1 is completed from my side. You have to revision as you do, as you can do right now, ठीक है। So thanks for being in this session, ठीक है। So from my side I have a suggestion for you, only single, that revise day by day. And finally we are also saying the proverb which are very famous in English: practice makes man, practice makes man, practice makes man. Why I am saying this 3 times? Tell me. Your chapter will be finished right now. He will be discuss more thing, 2 more. So tell me how I am saying the proverb 3 times. This question is same for every day my from you. So tell me why I am saying practice makes man perfect, this proverb 3 times daily. Don't know. Miss Nikita, I am telling that practice makes man perfect, not in a one time. I am using for that 3 times. Why? What is the reason behind it according to you? What may be? Guess it.
As we all know, because practice makes man perfect.
I am a guy which is a believe in a practical, not theoretical. मैं प्रैक्टिकल खुद करके बता रहा हूँ कि प्रैक्टिस मेक मैन परफेक्ट, प्रैक्टिस मेक्स मैन परफेक्ट, प्रैक्टिस मेक्स मैन परफेक्ट। मैं खुद 3 बार रिपीट कर रहा हूँ, ये प्रैक्टिकली ही तो है। तो आपको भी 3 बार कम से कम पढ़ना है एक ही चीज़ को। ऐसा कहा जाता है, someone which is a great man are saying in English grammar in a past time that how many times we are practice anything, they are set in our mind, in our conscious mind, and one time anything are set in our conscious mind, I will never forget it till our life। एक बार कोई भी चीज़ हमारे कंसियस माइंड में चली गई ना, हम चाहें तब भी नहीं भुला पाते। ठीक है, प्रैक्टिस करनी है वो। मेरी तरफ से चैप्टर फिनिश हुआ। सो थैंक्स फॉर बीइंग इन द सेशन, थैंक यू, विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट।